Whether you're using them to cover unsightly chairs or just to add color and styling to your event, chair covers are essential pieces of event decor. Chairs have a specific shape that each chair cover is fitted for, making them appear difficult to fold. However, that's not the case. Today we'll be showing you a quick and simple tutorial on how to fold a chair cover. First, begin by laying your chair cover on a flat surface with the seat section facing up. Next, grab the two corners of the seat cover area and pull them up to meet the edges where the back of the chair seat begins. Pull both of your bottom corners so they point out and the bottom of your chair cover lines up straight. Locate the top right corner of your chair seat cover and grab the top and bottom piece of your cover. Pull them over towards the middle to meet the other edge of the seat section. This should create a flat edge where your right point used to be. Grab the same fabric you folded towards the middle and fold it back out to your right, folding the fabric over itself. Repeat the same steps on the left side of your chair cover. Lastly, bring down the chair top and fold it over the bottom, creating a square fold. Your chair cover is now folded and ready to store. You can choose to fold it over once or fold it over again to fit your storage space. CV Linens carries a variety of colors, materials, patterns, and styles for your chair covers. You can find a link to our entire chair cover selection in the description below. Let us know what tutorial you'd like to see next. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!